Was it a near miss or was it a hit and run? Stick around. Someone needs a refresher in determining the right of way. Watch the Escalade that just pulled in behind me. Soon it will be in a right turn only lane. The question is, what will the driver do? I wonder if he's going to go straight or turn right because he's in both lanes. Well, he turned right, but I guess this guy just likes driving in two lanes at once.
Dual turn fail.
Let's follow this car's path to its turning point. Boy, another terrible morning of traffic. Cars are already starting to get into the left turn lane, even though the next left turn spot is 3/4 of a mile away. Man, how did the SUV miss that car making the U-turn? I've seen this before. I guess he's just going to turn left. What? What has this guy been smoking?
Hey, why don't you just back up? You're not quite blocking the intersection.
This driver is suffering from lane change regret. Now for a cutoff montage. Traffic cheater.
Dual turn fail.
And finally, watch the car in front of me. The question is, did the car hit the van or was it a near miss? I think we have an answer.